Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today we're doing a loop scarf in 20 minutes. So for today I used the Colora wool, so big and easy, from the Lana Grossa company. There are many different colors, so feel free to Google them or look for them in specialized stores. In case you can't find this, feel free to find something of a similar kind and thickness. So this is what we're going to use for today. I hope you guys are ready. Let's get started right away. Oh, apart from that, you will need a 15mm needle, and yeah, we will start by doing 5 chains. Two chains for the height, and the first row is there, so do a treble into the first or the third chain from the back and do trebles all the way back to the beginning. First row is done. Again, 2 chains for the height, turn, and keep doing trebles to the other side. So always 2 stitches for the height and trebles for the back until you finish the spool. So I prepared a bit to show you what it looks like later. So when you are done, just pull the thread tight, and that's it. Now I'll just show you how to do a loop out of it. So you can do that, but you can also leave it as a regular scarf, depending on what you want as an end result. Feel free to choose whatever you like. So if you want a loop, turn the inside out and make sure there are no twists or knots in your scarf. So you want this to look nice and neat, and connect with the leftover thread. You can even use your fingers to do this since the wool is so thick. And that's pretty much it. Weave the ends in later and you will have a scarf in 20 minutes. I hope you guys enjoyed the project. Let me know what you think. If you found this difficult or useful and easy, feel free to shoot a thumbs up if you enjoyed and would like to see more. You can also subscribe to our channel for free and stay updated with everything new that we post and do, and also have access to older videos of what I already did. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, and until then, have a great day. Bye!